Hello, welcome back to the channel. Let us do this order of operation question in a right way. They gave us minus 12, take away 4, in the bracket, minus 8 plus 7. Many people get confused where to start to do this problem. That's why we have order of operation, the guide that will help us to get it right. We are going to use PEMDAS, where P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D division, A addition, and subtraction. As per our question, we are going to start with parentheses, where we are going to take minus 8 plus 7. So we have minus 12, take away 4. I'm going to work in the bracket. Minus 8 plus 7, we are going to get minus 1. So here we are going to multiply by minus 1. This is minus 12 minus 4. Between the bracket and 4, there is multiplication. So multiply by minus 1. According to PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. So I'm going to multiply minus 4 multiplied by minus 1. That is minus 12. Negative multiplied by negative, we are going to get positive. So plus 4. At last, I'm going to add minus 12 plus 4. We get the answer equal to minus 8. I hope you understand this question. For more questions on order of operation, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.